morning. Good morning.
It is pitch black out here this morning. You can't see hardly anything. I'm waiting for my friend to get up to the ramp, and once we do, we'll go ahead and get all of this gear loaded. We're going to get into the woods and hopefully find a couple squirrels. Today I'm going to use a rifle I haven't used in a long time, my Marlin Model 60. Really excited to use this thing. It's been quite a few years since I've had it out in the woods, and I think it's going to do a great job of getting these squirrels. Here he comes. A couple minutes late, that's alright.
I think I have one in this tree right here in front of me. Well, that was Ross. We'll give him a second. Got one in a tree right here. He's fallen. He's down. Give him a second, and that's the first one of the day. Make sure he's dispatched. Appears to be. That's a pretty large squirrel. That's not bad at all. Definitely quartered him out pretty well. Cool. Marlin Model 60 early this morning, getting it done on the first one. That's exciting. Well, I want to get him bagged up and keep on moving forward. When I see something like this, I think perfect squirrel habitat. You got a lot of stuff on the ground for them to jump up on. They don't like to be on the ground, they like to be on something. Plenty of massive large oaks all through here. There's gotta be something. We'll just keep walking down this area and hopefully we'll run across a couple more. Squirrels like to be off the ground. If that isn't a sure sign, I don't know what is. I'm shocked I haven't seen any quite yet. That's just where they've been sitting on top of this log eating acorns. That's one down. There's some blood right there, so I thought I got him pretty good. I think he's not too far away. It might be in this thick stuff through here. Oh, there's two of them. A lot of junk in the way. There's another one down. Finally. Unfortunately, the GoPro battery died as I was stalking these squirrels, but I think I got another one on the back side of this tree. I'm nearly certain. I saw him drop. Yep, there he is. Another squirrel down for the count. So we're at 2 now, And that other one I bloodied. I want to look in that area again. I just saw these while I was standing there, so pick him up. We'll see if we can find that other one that I hit pretty well. I think that's one right there. Yeah, it was until I heard that gunshot. That had to have hit him. There's no way it didn't. I feel the same way about that shot. It was dead on him. That one's down. Well, as I thought, we definitely got number 3. Saw him drop, and sure enough, right back over here, and there's number 4 right there. So I got my 3 for the day, and then an extra one. I'm excited. That said, that other one I should have had, that was number 5, dead to rights. I mean, that scope was dialed in on him. So may have to go to the range and recheck this rifle. Had it dialed in about 2 months ago, but may have bumped it out here today, and that's why I was struggling a little bit. Although it could just be the shooter as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these guys up, and I gotta start walking back towards the boat. Well, it's about 9 o'clock now, and it's been pretty successful. I got 4 squirrels, and my buddy Ross did as well, but we're back in the boat now, and we're just gonna troll around, because he shot one out of one of these trees close to the creek. We're gonna see if we can find it, as well as just see if there's anything along the banks along the way. That rig is awesome for getting up into these shallow creeks. Ross ended up with 4 squirrels, so did I. So between the 12 gauge and the 22, it was even, surprisingly enough. Well, I'm gonna take a second, help him get this boat loaded up, and then we'll get our gear in the truck. I mentioned this in the past, but if you're looking for some inexpensive, good little squirrel bags, these are it. This fanny pack is awesome. I've got one linked, I'll put up here in the corner. And then if you don't like fanny packs, this single backpack or sling backpack, they're super light, comfortable to wear with you in the woods. So I highly recommend these as well. I'll link this one in the corner. So check those out if you want a small pack while you're squirrel hunting. But yeah, here are the squirrels in question. Got 4 of them today. Very happy with those results. And the rifle, that did it. The Marlin Model 60. It's an oldie, but a goodie. Been in the family for many, many years, and it's still rock solid today. Although I will take it in and make sure it is sighted in for maybe bumping the scope. Well guys, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more. And as always, thanks for watching.